Smith Douglas Homes has a brand new neighborhood in Ball Ground called Sawgrass. It is a mix of townhomes and single-family homes that is selling right now. I am here with Claire, and Claire, I would love to know a little bit more about the city of Ball Ground.
You know, it is such a fun place to visit, and it's also a wonderful place to live. From the quaint downtown restaurants and stores to the scenery, the views of the Appalachian Mountains in the background, it's beautiful. And our new community, Sawgrass, is only 6 miles from that downtown area, also 6 miles to downtown Canton.
Now, I understand the model home will open up this summer at Sawgrass, but today we are here in a floor plan that's going to be offered in the neighborhood. So what can you tell us about this floor plan?
That's right, this is the Brazleton floor plan, and we'll have 54 single-family detached homes offered in that neighborhood. This will be one of the floor plans that we're building. Some of the features about this home, it comes standard with a 3-bedroom, but there's a fabulous covered patio that comes included in this floor plan. Also an open loft area which can be built as a 4th bedroom.
And what about the townhomes? What will they be like?
We'll have 56 townhomes offered in this community. 2 different floor plans, very similar. Both have 1,600 square feet of living space. Both offer 3 bedrooms. The real difference of those is the location of the owner's suite. One is to the front of the home and then one to the rear. Base pricing for those townhomes currently begins in the high 200s, with pricing in the detached single-family homes in the low to the mid 3s.
And Claire, what's the best way to get more information?
People can visit us online at smithdouglas.com. They can call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. It is always fun to learn about the new neighborhoods that Smith Douglas is working on. So you'll definitely want to check out this one, Sawgrass in Ball Ground. With Smith Douglas Homes, it is your home, your choice, within reach.